Hello everybody, today I'll be starting a new topic, and before moving to that topic, we must know Okay, so before going to that topic, we must know that how notebooks are made. Notebooks are made by cutting trees, grass, and making that material into pulp, adding lot of chemicals to that pulp, and the paper is thus prepared, and that paper is binded into notebooks and lines are printed. So this is how notebook is made, and this complete process making is known as manufacturing. Okay, we can also say that manufacturing is changing of raw materials into more valuable products for people. So what is manufacturing? Changing of materials into more valuable products. ठीक है? And this manufacturing process, okay, it takes place in industries. Okay, so this is our topic. Okay, so this manufacturing process, it takes place in industries, and this is our topic. Okay, fine. So we must know, before moving ahead and explaining industries, we must know economic activities. Okay, and the economic activities are of three types: primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, I will be explaining those activities. So all the activities which human being does for earning money are known as economic activities. Okay, and these economic activities are of three types. First, primary economic activities. They are okay, this is the economic activity where nature is involved. Okay, in this activity, all agriculture, work and mining activities, they come. So in agriculture you have growing of plants as well as domestication of animals and birds, fishes, everything. It comes under primary activity. Now we have secondary activity and mining also. Okay, in secondary activity we have all the manufacturing, activities, that is raw materials, changed into finished products. Now most of the factories they are in, most of the industries they are in secondary activities. What raw materials you get from agriculture, or you get minerals from nature, and they are sent to these factories or industries where they are changed into finished products. Like from minerals you can get iron, and from agriculture products like sugarcane you can get sugar. So secondary activity, this was the secondary activity. Now we have tertiary activity. In this economic activity all the services are provided. Now what type of services? Okay, all the doctors, insurance services, teachers, fine, banking sector, transport sector, passenger transport sector, goods transport sector, they all come under tertiary economic activities. Okay, doctors, nurses, teachers, banking, insurance, etc., etc. So now we know about the economic activities. Okay, so industries are concerned with secondary economic activities. Fine. So now I will be explaining what are industries. Okay, so industries are an or is an economic activity, okay, where production of goods, minerals, extraction and provision of service is there. Okay, so industry is an economic activity, okay, where what takes place? Production, okay, and what is produced? Production of goods, means things are produced. Mineral extraction means from the ores you extract minerals, and services are provided. Okay, various services are provided in industries. Fine. Now we move ahead and we classify types of industries. Okay. Classification of industries. So industries can be classified on the basis of three major types. Okay. Okay, so the industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials which an industry uses, okay, on the basis of size, like I'll be explaining these things later on, and on the basis of ownership. Okay, so let us study these three major bases on which industries are classified. Okay. So, what are raw materials? Okay, raw materials are the things which are used in an industry to produce finished things or for the production of finished goods. Okay, so on the basis of raw materials used in an industry, they can be classified into 4 types. How many types? 4 broad, the first type is based industry, second type is mineral based, the third type is forest based, and the fourth type is okay. So these are the 4 types of industries on the basis of what the raw materials which are used in the industry. Now let us take these one by one. Agro-based industries. In these industries, the raw materials, they come from agricultural activities, and example is, like you can say, we have the example of sugarcane, which is grown by farmers, and the industry which uses this sugarcane to sugar industry which produces sugar or sugar industries products. Fine. Now the sugarcane is also used in producing alcohols also. Fine. Now next we take mineral based industries. In these industries, various ores or minerals which are mined from the ground or which are attained from the nature, they are used, and various finished products are obtained. Like we can say, we get iron ore and it is produced in iron. Steel, we get copper ore, it is produced in copper. Fine. Now next is forest based industry. Forest based industries are those industries which use products of forest. For example, furniture, paper, plywood. All these industries use the products from the forest. Okay, these products may be trees, bamboo, grasses. Okay, and this industry is completely dependent on forest. The next type of industry is marine based industry. In this industry, ocean and sea products are used. Okay, and the most simple example of marine based industry is extraction of salt from seawater. Okay, and there are many marine based industries such as the fishing industry, fish oil